So this is another 8-pointed star, but it's quite complex, and you need 8 sheets of paper again. And you'll see that it has 2 layers. One is this top pattern that is getting formed, and one is these flaps that are coming out. So you can start with this. So take 12 sheets, any combination, and let's start with one square. First you divide this into 2, and then start folding the edges. All 4 of them. Yeah. Open all of them. Right. Now you have to pay a little attention. Keep this center crease vertical, not like this, it should be vertical, and close the top left crease. Right. Now what you have to do is to align this edge to this edge. So you do it like this, and you crease only this much. Crease the top half and then open it again back. So I have a crease here. Now do the same to the other side. So close the top right corner, and now you align this again, the bottom edge to this edge. So this comes here like this, and you crease only the top half. Open it. So you notice I have a V here. You know, it's like a V. So when you fold this paper like this, it folds like this. So this was a V that was getting formed. So that V has to become a valley, and this is to be a mountain, this is to be a valley. So automatically your paper will end up like this. After this, fold this down, flip it over, fold this down. Now again a very tricky fold. These 2 flaps you see, I have to go inside. Now when you fold it inside, what happens? Just go all the way till the edge here and make a crease here, so that this again comes up like this. So I have to do it again. So pay attention. Take this flap, fold it inside, come all the way till here, make a crease here, and just lay it flat. So you will get kind of corner like this, and you have these 2 flaps inside. Right. Now there's another 2 creases to be done. Just lift up the flap and just make a random fold. It doesn't need to follow any geometry. Lift the other side, make a random fold, and just put it back where it was. So you have this piece like a dog. It looks like a dog. So we need 8 pieces like these. Yeah, so all 8 pieces are ready. So just pick up one color and second color. So in the first color, you remember these 2 flaps that we had made. So just open these flaps, and now you just align the second piece exactly in the same way, and you have got to insert this point into this pocket here, into this place here. So it has to align itself with this like this, and just hold firmly here, and just put back those 2 flaps while holding the second piece. Now with the second piece, open these two flaps, put your third piece inside. It has to come right till here like this. It has to sit properly, and you'll notice that you have these points like radiating from this center here. Just tuck in the flaps again, both sides. So 3 pieces done. So like that, keep adding all the 8, and we'll come to the first and the 8th. So I've added 7 pieces, and this is the 8th piece. So this also goes in. So 8 pieces are done, right? Now the first and the 8th have to join. So you open the flaps of the 8th piece. You have to just open this pocket. You have to somehow twist and bring this in between these two and make it sit there, and fold this down. That's it. It's amazing. You have this pattern on both sides. It's like a radial star. It's like a complex radial star.